All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So it's been a minute since we've had a video on the channel. Connor and I are going to be installing some new tail lights on his truck. And if you guys are interested in these tail lights, I'll have a link down in the description. I am an Amazon affiliate, and if you guys do purchase these tail lights, they have a couple editions of these tail lights. I do get a small portion of that. That goes back to me, and then I directly put that back into the channel. So let's go ahead and show you the tail lights that we got for his 2017 F-150. And then if you click the link, it'll tell you all the years, make and models that are capable for the F-150 for these tail lights. All right, so here is the kit that we have, and then they provide you a direct plug and play for your factory tail lights. And as you can see, these are already tinted, so I didn't know they were actually going to come tinted already, but they look super cool. And yeah, we're going to show you the install process. And one of the big things that I want to hit on about this is whenever you unlock your truck, there is a cool little 3D animation that it does. Obviously, being all LEDs, you have white LED reverse lights as well. So let's go ahead and get to taking off the factory tail lights and putting on the new ones. Okay, so there's what, two 5/16?
Yep.
Okay, literally two 5/16 bolts that you need to take out. And you got to make sure that your truck does not have the parking sensors.
The blind spot.
Yeah, the blind spot monitors, because these I don't believe these tail lights will work for your truck if you have those sensors in the back of your tail lights or truck or whatever.
And it just pulls straight out.
All right.
Mine's a little easier. I had the tab broke.
So boom, take that out, take that out. Oh wow, dude, that's 30 seconds to get that tail light out.
Yeah.
Literally 30 seconds.
And then on these, it's just pin, pull down,
Pop out. Don't need those anymore. Don't need those anymore. All right. No. All right. So the plugs that Connor has in his hand is what's going to allow you to install these tail lights directly plug and play.
Yeah. And they're both 3-prong, so. Oh, nope. Disregard. There's a 2-prong and a 3-prong. 2-prong, obviously.
2-prong on the green.
Yep. And 3-prong on the brown. So you look in there.
Yep. So
I guess on that last night.
Listen to that little snap. Boom. Boom. And then we'll plug the tail light in, and then just before we button everything down, we're going to I'll show you the 3D animation. Of course, just remember it is daylight out, so at night they're going to be even brighter. All right, one of the things that I wanted to note, and Connor made sure that I mentioned to you guys, these tail lights, this corner here does stick out obviously a little bit more than the last one. It's not as flush, but I think the tinted ones are going to look good for sure. Definitely compared to the factory ones, the tinted ones look nice.
All
right, for all you ASMR folks, here we go. There you go. All right, we got the other side done. Here you go for all the ASMR folks. Oh, we may have to take this one back out. That's all right, it's only 2 bolts. Oh, no, we got it. All right, so that was literally probably, we're gonna say at most, we'll say 2 minutes a tail light, that's it. All right, so here's what it looks like behind the truck. I think the tinted looks good, especially against having an actual black truck. I think against any color it look good, but it just looks really sleek having the tinted against the black. And like I said, they do stick out a little bit here, but the profile of it still looks good. And then in the next clip, we're going to show you the animation of the tail lights. All right, go ahead, hit it. Show you guys the animation. And then later on tonight, I will show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. Boom, and then it's on. Can you hit the, can we show them turn signals? Like, just go inside and turn your hazards on. So you got kind of an H pattern right there, and then you got kind of like a honeycomb looking piece right there. All right, so there, as you can see, turn signals are the top pieces, and then in the center there is your reverse lights. But I will show you guys all that tonight as well. You guys can do it whenever. All right, like I promised, I'm going to show you guys the animation at nighttime. I think the 3D animation is pretty cool. And like I mentioned before, if you're interested in these lights, there will definitely be a link down in the description. All right, here is a little glimpse of what the LED reverse lights look like. All right, that is gonna do it for today's video. Make sure you click the link down below and get you some new taillights for your F-150. And like I said, I do get a small kickback if you do end up purchasing those taillights off Amazon or anything after you click that link. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. And turn on your post notifications. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.